Are the colors on your Galaxy Z Flip 6 looking off? Maybe too bright, too faded, or just weird? Don't worry. Samsung actually gave you a built-in fix. It's called color correction, and you can turn it on in seconds. Hey there, if you've been struggling with screen colors that feel a bit off, or you're helping someone with color vision issues, this hidden feature could be exactly what you need. Here's how to enable color correction on your Galaxy Z Flip 6. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. 3. Tap on Advanced Settings. 4. Select Accessibility button. 5. Tap Select Actions. 6. In the list, check the box next to color correction. Once selected, you'll now see the Accessibility button either floating on your screen or in your navigation bar, depending on your setup. So, what does color correction actually do? It adjusts the display to help users with color blindness, like red-green deficiency, blue-yellow issues, or full color inversion. Samsung gives you multiple modes to choose from. To customize how color correction works, go back to Settings, Accessibility, Visibility Enhancements. Then tap Color Correction and pick the mode that suits your eyes best. This makes your screen easier to read and navigate, especially in bright daylight or if you struggle with certain color tones. And that's it. A built-in, under-the-radar feature that can make your Galaxy Z Flip 6 a lot more comfortable to use, especially for your eyes. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, or comment below if you want more hidden Samsung tips.